Okay, so pretty excited to announce that I'm gonna be doing a build on my bike. It's not gonna be anything crazy. I'm basically keeping it around $1,000, and that includes like parts that I need. Like, I'm not gonna say, but anyways, today we are gonna be throwing on some new tires and probably a new sprocket. So I know that a few months ago, it was like winter I think, I did a video that was like part 1 of my 2018 Ktm 250Sx build, and I never really stuck with that build, so I decided I'd just kind of start over. So that's what we're doing. And anyways, I'm gonna throw the bike in the shop real quick so it's not so windy, and then we'll get started. Alright, there we go. Got the new tire on, new front tire, the new back tire, and then the new sprocket. And I know that wasn't much for this part of the video, or for this part of the build. It was just the tires and the sprocket. But I'm kind of just doing it little steps at a time. And the next video will probably be a little bit more like stuff you can't see from the outside, like more inside the engine, just kind of inside the bike, I guess. And then the next one should be a little bit more of the outer look. The next one should be a little bit more of the outer look. The next one should be a little bit more of the outer look. So, at least I think. I don't know for sure yet. But that's going to be it for this video. So, thanks for watching.